Introduction. Hey, connect to world buddies. Today, let's explore the term high. It's not just about altitude. There's more to this word. Let's ascend into the various meanings and experiences of high. Meaning. So, high can refer to a position far above the ground, like a high mountain peak. Or it can describe a state of elevated intensity, as in feeling high emotions or being under the influence of certain substances. Usage. Imagine reaching a high point in your career, hiking to a high summit, or experiencing the high of excitement during a thrilling event. Examples. Think of the high notes in a musical performance, or the high energy of a lively party. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's high, a term that can take you to great heights or exhilarating experiences, right? Different uses. Ever heard of natural high? It's a term for the euphoric feeling people get from positive and exhilarating experiences, like exercise or being in nature. Conclusion. If the idea of high elevates your interest, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more uplifting word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.